Let me show you how to make a mask in CapCut on your PC. It's a great way to focus someone's attention on specific parts of your video or create some cool effects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open CapCut and import your video by clicking the Import button and selecting your video files. Once imported, drag your video to the timeline. Now, select the clip in the timeline that you want to apply the mask to. On the right-hand side, you'll see several editing options. Click on the Mask option, which is located in the Video section. After clicking Mask, you'll be presented with different mask shapes to choose from. You can pick from basic shapes like rectangle, circle, and polygon, or you can choose Custom to draw a custom-shaped mask. For this example, let's use the rectangle shape. Click on the rectangle mask and it will appear on your video in the preview window. You can resize and position the mask by clicking and dragging the corners or edges of the rectangle. To move the mask around, click inside the rectangle and drag it to the areas of the video you want to highlight. If you want to change the shape of the mask or add more control points, click on the Polygon option, which will allow you to adjust the vertices of the mask manually. This is useful for more complex shapes, like masking around an object with uneven edges. Once you've positioned the mask where you want it, you'll see a feather slider. This controls how soft or sharp the edges of the mask are. If you want a more natural look, increase the feathering. If you want sharp, defined edges, then reduce the feathering. To control what's inside or outside the mask, use the Invert option. When checked, the mask will apply to everything except the area inside the shape. If you uncheck it, the mask will apply only to the area inside the shape. You can experiment with this depending on the effects that you want to achieve. If you need to animate the mask, for example if your subject is moving, click on the keyframe button. It looks like a small diamond at the start of the clip. Move through the timeline and adjust the mask position or shape. CapCut will then automatically create keyframes to animate the mask as it moves along with your subject. Once you're happy with how the mask looks, preview your video. If everything looks good, click Export in the top right corner to save your video. And that's it. You've now learned how to mask in CapCut on your PC. I hope this video helped.